Our first effective natural remedy for warts is apple cider vinegar. This common household ingredient is known for its antiviral properties, which can help fight the virus causing the warts. To start your treatment, you'll need apple cider vinegar and water. It's vital to dilute the vinegar with water before applying it to your skin. This is because apple cider vinegar is highly acidic and can burn your skin if applied undiluted. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. First, mix equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water in a bowl. Soak a small piece of cotton in this mixture and wring out the excess. Now, place this cotton on the wart and secure it with a bandage. Leave it on overnight and remove it in the morning. Repeat this process daily until the wart falls off. Remember, patience is key. This remedy might take a few weeks to work. The next home remedy, garlic, is not just a kitchen staple. It's a potent natural remedy for warts. This pungent bulb, packed with allicin, an antimicrobial compound, has been used for centuries to tackle various skin afflictions, warts included. To use garlic for wart removal, you don't apply it directly on the skin. That can lead to skin burns. Instead, you prepare a garlic paste. Here's how. Crush a few cloves of garlic until they turn into a thick paste. Mix this paste with a carrier oil like coconut or olive oil. This not only dilutes the garlic's potency, but also adds skin-nourishing benefits. Now apply this garlic-infused oil gently to your wart. Cover it with a bandage and let it work its magic overnight. Remember to wash off the paste the next morning. This garlic treatment, just like the apple cider vinegar remedy, might require a few weeks to show results. But consistency is key. Keep at it, and you'll likely see those pesky warts fade away. Ever thought our next remedy, a banana peel, could help get rid of warts? Well, it can. The humble banana peel, often discarded without a second thought, can be your secret weapon against stubborn warts. The secret lies in its rich potassium content, which is believed to have wart-fighting properties. Here's how you can use it. First, cut a small piece of banana peel, just enough to cover the wart. Place the inside part of the peel against the wart. Secure it with a bandage or tape and leave it on overnight. It's a slow and steady process. You should repeat this nightly until the wart dries out and falls off. This could take a few weeks, depending on the size and stubbornness of the wart. This remedy is gentle and safe, but remember to always clean the area thoroughly before and after application. We've covered a lot today. Let's quickly recap. We began our journey understanding what warts are, those small, grainy skin growths caused by various types of human papillomavirus. We learned that they're common, but can be bothersome. Then we looked at how to tackle them right from our kitchen. Our first stop was the apple cider vinegar remedy. This wonder liquid's acidic property can help peel off the wart from the skin. Soak a cotton ball in it, place it on the wart, and secure it with a bandage overnight. Simplicity at its best. Next, we turn to garlic, a powerhouse of antiviral properties. Applying crushed garlic on the wart and covering it with a bandage can help in its elimination. Remember to protect the surrounding skin, as garlic can cause skin irritation. Our last remedy took us to the humble banana peel. Rubbing the inside of a banana peel on the wart daily can help it disappear over time due to the presence of a proteolytic enzyme that dissolves and digests proteins. But remember, patience and consistency are key. These remedies may take time, and results can vary from person to person. If your wart is causing discomfort, changes its appearance, or if you're uncertain, please don't hesitate to consult with a healthcare professional. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more natural remedies. Remember, your health is in your hands.